Welcome to the Kedacom practice video series. Today, we will talk about the setup and the installation of our semi-dome video camera. First, let's take a look at what is in the box. You will find the following items: the camera and a bag that consists of menus, waterproof casing pipe, and screws for installation. We will begin by installing the TF card. First, we will invert the camera, rotate clockwise, and remove the decorative ring. Next, loosen the retaining screw on side. Then we adjust the camera to reveal the TF card slot. Next, by using a screwdriver, insert it into the slot on the sealed cap, then rotate anti-clockwise to remove. Insert TF card into the slot. Take note here, the side with the sheet metal should be opposite to the cable. Then put the sealed cap back on and fasten it. Next, we will use the cutout provided in the tool bag and place it onto the mounting location. We will firstly need to create a hole in this position to allow the cable to go through. Before connecting the camera, insert the rubber stopper into the waterproof pipe. Next, run the RJ45 cable through the fitting cap and the waterproof mechanism, and rotate the cap to fasten. Take note here, a RJ45 cable without plug is required for this step. After running through, then we will put a plug to this RJ45 cable. Hold the RJ45 cable, then connect it to the camera. Then link up the waterproof pipe. The camera supports PoE or DC 12 power supply. Then drill 3 small holes according to the template. Take out the expandable tube from the tool bag and insert them. Next, take out the screws and install them through the holes to locate the camera. Power on the camera and insert CD provided to start to install relevant softwares. IPC Search is the software released to configure initial IP of the camera. Start the IPC Search and then it will search the cameras listed automatically. Choose the camera. Then click Modify Parameters. Change the device address to Custom Device Address and enter the assigned IP. After that, the camera will reboot automatically with the new IP. Take a note, we need to make sure the operating PC can ping to this new IP. Select the camera in the list, double-click it or click Login. Then we will go through the web console for this camera. If there are problems while installing the necessary plugins, we recommend you to find the IPC controller in CD provided to use the installed software individually. The username and password for IPC controller is admin and admin123 respectively. After login, check if the image is displayed from camera normally. If so, that means the connection from camera to PC is successful. Hold the camera to adjust the angle. Meanwhile, check the image displayed using the IPC control software for optimal monitoring position. After the adjustment of angle, fasten the retaining screw on side. Lastly, pull the decorative ring back and rotate clockwise to fasten. IPC control software is specially designed for engineers to do precise configuration for our cameras. The default username is admin, password is admin123. You will see several tabs after launching: Live Video, Parameters, Snapshot, Record, and Help. In the Live View tab, on the left is the Configure panel. After choosing either mainstream or secondary stream, the resolution will change accordingly. Below the stream selection is the PTZ control panel, which is only available for PTZ cameras. Other adjustment options such as day and night mode, video adjustment can be found too. In the next page, there will be shutter option, and in the bottom, there are local snapshot and the recording button. In the Parameters tab, in the device name, enter the new name here. In Ethernet parameters, change the IP to new IP address. In camera parameters, select the video show mode to standard screen, which is 4:3, or widescreen, which is 69. In camera mode, by enabling it, specified configurations can be preset according to assigned period of day. In mainstream encode, change the encoding rate to an appropriate one, also the resolution. Usually we suggest 2 meg for 720p, 1 meg for D1, or 512 kbps for SIF, and do the same for secondary stream encode. In intelligent alarm, by choosing motion detection and defining the specified area, then any object moving in this area will trigger the alarm, which can be shown in Live Video tab. In OSD settings, edit the camera's name, which will display on the screen. Snapshot parameters and recording parameters can only be configured with TF card insert into camera. In system maintenance, we can initial TF card, reset or reboot camera. Also, we can export the configuration file out here, then import it after resetting camera. In local settings, it defines the local path to store local snapshots and recordings. When connecting camera to Kedacom NVR, snapshot can be captured and stored in TF card by enabling the alarm linkage in snapshot parameters. In Record tab, we can check the record by selecting specific period.